Hello again, everyone. For the next exercise, we are going to play a game of Battleship. So, to play Battleship, you need a sheet of paper like this one, and two players. Each player will get a sheet with two grids on it. One grid will be named Player 1, one grid will be named Player 2. And each player will fill the grid with words we've learned during and with the eighth lesson, either horizontally or vertically. So, for example, player 1 will put three words like surf, king, or knight. Player 2 on his sheet, and it's important that the players don't see the other player's sheet, will put other words like gout, queen, or lord. You can choose more than three words, of course, but each word will be one of your battleship. Player 1 begins. Player 1 will ask H7. If it's a hit, then the player 2 says hit. Here, it's not a hit, so it's miss. The player 1 will put a check on H7 on the other side of the sheet, and player 2 will put a hit on his sheet too. It's player 2's turn. Player 2 is asking J7. Miss. The player 2 will put a box on his sheet, and the player 1 will do it as well. It's player 1's turn. Player 1 is asking E2. It's a hit. Hit, says player 2, and he says also the letter with it. Hit Q. Player 1 will write on his sheet of paper Q in the E2 box. And player 2 will also write on his sheet of paper that the player 1 have found the Q. The player 1 is playing again because he found a good letter. So he's trying again. And this time he's asking E3. But sadly it's a miss. So the player 1 will write a box in E3, and the player 2 will also write it. Now it's player 2's turn, who will ask A1. It's a miss. It's player 1's turn, who will then ask, if it's not E3, then maybe it's D2. Hit. It's a U. It's player 1's turn again. The player 1 knows what's going on now, so he will ask C2. Hit again. Play again. B2. Hit again. Play again. A2. Hit again. Play again. And the player 2 can say hit and sunk. It's a N. And so player 1 will say, oh, your word was queen. Okay. And now you can continue playing Battleship. Try to play with someone else in your house, and try to do each time other words that you've learned during the lesson. Okay, have fun!